I think I was sitting down with the players. I gave them quiet time for themselves, told them to calm down. We just conceded a goal, to calm down, calm their nerves, and encourage them to do it our way. And I told them that my perception of them and of the last 17 days will not change of this result, no matter what the result is. But I want them to do it their way, our way. I want them to be brave, courageous, intense, and on the front foot, and do it together, and just go for it, and try to take it, and be active. Yeah, I encouraged them with words, which was short, was calm, and yeah, if they say it helped, even better. But I think that was the main. That was the main message, to just encourage them and tell them that we trust them, and there is nothing to fear. It's we want to go for the win, and be active. If you see the commitment of our captain, of our number 9 in the extra time, to block a crucial shot after a set piece with all his body, and his commitment to buy into a defensive action like this, then you know everything about his performance today. Complete performance, absolute leader, and he is all in. He's all in physically, he's all in mentally, and he's all in. He's a full package at the moment, and he wants it, and he leads by example, so we're very happy. Declan had some unusual ball losses and I saw a bit of discomfort. And then I asked him, and he pointed directly to his lower back, upper hamstring, that he feels the discomfort, and I didn't want to take any risk. So if I take Declan off, then yeah, which I never want to do, but it was the moment to protect him. And I think Reece James did so well to replace him in central midfield. He had a fantastic game. So that's that. I hope it's nothing more. Declan just reassured me at the end. It's good, it's good. And I know the discomfort. We will take care of it. And this is nothing big to worry about.